Apple's new M5 iPad Pro. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's turning heads. Isn't just another spec bump. It's more than just a faster processor or a brighter screen. It's a real shift in how we use tablets. It's a fundamental change in the way we interact with our devices on a daily basis. The headline? What's the one thing everyone's talking about? 2 front-facing cameras, not 1. Yes, you heard that right, 2. For years, iPad users have struggled with awkward video calls. We've all been there, haven't we? Always off-center, always looking away. It's been a constant source of frustration. Apple finally fixed it. They listened to the users and delivered a solution. The M5's dual front cameras mean you're always perfectly framed. Finally, a video call experience that feels natural and professional. No matter how you hold your iPad, landscape or portrait, you're always in the sweet spot. This isn't about pro photography, although the camera system is impressive. It's about making you look your best on every call. It's about presenting yourself confidently and clearly. The tech world is buzzing because this solves a daily frustration. It's a practical solution to a common problem. Apple's finally acknowledging how we actually use these devices. They're paying attention to our real-world needs. For work, for family, for real connection. It's about bridging the distance and staying connected with the people who matter most. The upgrade is a nod to millions who rely on iPads for meetings. It's a recognition of the iPad's role in the modern workplace, classes, and catching up with loved ones. It's about making those virtual interactions feel more real and engaging. It's not just a second lens, it's a whole new approach to front-facing camera technology. It's intelligent design that adapts to you. It's technology that works seamlessly in the background to enhance your experience. The cameras switch seamlessly. You won't even notice it happening, keeping you centered and clear. It's all about providing the best possible video quality. It's classic Apple. Elegant, intuitive, and user-friendly. Simple, practical, and instantly useful. You'll appreciate the difference from the very first call. As we dig deeper, we'll see why this dual camera system is a game changer for FaceTime. It's going to revolutionize the way we connect with friends and family, selfies, and beyond. The possibilities are endless. The M5 iPad Pro isn't just more powerful. It's a leap forward in tablet technology, it's more personal, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Get ready to say goodbye to awkward video calls forever. Embrace a new era of clear, confident communication. This is the iPad upgrade people have been waiting for, the one that truly understands how we use our tablets. Let's see how it works. Let's dive in and explore the features that make this iPad Pro so special. So, what's the deal with 2 front cameras? It might seem a little unusual at first glance. Apple put one on the top edge for portrait, ensuring your face is framed perfectly when you're holding the iPad upright. And they added one on the side for landscape mode, so you're always looking directly at the camera during those horizontal video calls. The iPad now intelligently knows exactly how you're holding it, thanks to advanced sensors and clever software integration. And it picks the best camera automatically, switching seamlessly between the two without you even having to think about it. No more awkward angles or off-center video calls where you're looking off to the side. You'll always be front and center. The M5 chip adapts to you, anticipating your needs and making the whole experience feel incredibly intuitive, not the other way around. Open FaceTime or Zoom or any other video conferencing app, and the right camera activates instantly, ready to capture your best side. Rotate your iPad from portrait to landscape, and the switch is seamless, a fluid transition that feels completely natural. Nobody on the other end notices a thing. The video feed remains stable and perfectly centered. And with center stage, the experience works better than ever, intelligently keeping you in view from any angle, even as you move around during the call. This isn't about packing in more megapixels or chasing bigger numbers, it's about smarter usability and creating a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. Apple solved a decade-old problem, the awkward video call angle, with a simple, elegant solution that just works. Now every video call feels natural and comfortable no matter how you use your iPad or which orientation you prefer. The dual cameras combined with intelligent software make the iPad feel smarter and more responsive. Ultimately, it feels more human, more connected, and more like a natural extension of yourself. It's a small change in hardware with a huge impact on the overall user experience. That's Apple's user-first philosophy in action, putting your needs at the forefront of design. FaceTime calls just got a major upgrade. Hold your iPad vertically, top camera kicks in for direct eye contact. Flip it to landscape, side camera takes over, perfect for meetings or watching videos. No more weird angles or head tilts. The switch is instant, so you always look engaged and present. For selfies, it's finally flexible portrait for classic shots, landscape for group photos. The software picks the best camera and keeps features like portrait mode working in any orientation. Taking selfies on an iPad now feels natural, not awkward. The real win? Freedom. Use your iPad however you want, no more second guessing. Every app that uses the front camera benefits from this upgrade. It's a small detail that makes the whole device feel more polished. The iPad Pro is now a true video calling powerhouse. The M5 chip is a beast. Apps launch instantly. Multitasking is effortless and creative work is smoother than ever. Video editors, designers, and gamers get desktop-level power in a tablet. The enhanced neural engine supercharges AI features for smarter editing and effects. The display, even better. The tandem OLED screen is brighter, more colorful, and perfect for HDR content. Promotion keeps everything ultra-smooth from drawing to gaming. The M5 chip enables instant camera switching and real-time enhancements like center stage. The display makes every call, movie, and game look stunning. Every component works together for a seamless experience. The M5 iPad Pro isn't just fast, it's a creative powerhouse. Whether you're working or relaxing, it's a joy to use. This is the most advanced iPad display yet. The hardware and cameras are built to impress. To see why the M5 matters, let's compare it to the M4. The M4 moved the camera to the landscape edge. Great for keyboard users, but awkward for everyone else. Portrait users were left with off-center calls and frustration. The M5's dual cameras fix this, giving you the best angle in any orientation. Online, users are thrilled, no more choosing between portrait or landscape. Apple listened and delivered a solution that just works. The M5 chip also outpaces the M4, offering more power for demanding apps and future updates. For video callers and creatives, the upgrade is obvious. For M4 owners, it's a compelling reason to switch. The M5 sets a new standard for premium tablets. It's about flexibility, power, and a better user experience. This is the iPad Pro done right. The M5 iPad Pro shines in real life. Professionals can switch from desk to on the go, always looking polished on video calls. Architects review 3D models, then join meetings, no camera fuss. Students take notes in landscape, then join study groups in portrait, all with perfect framing. The M5 chip handles multitasking and creative apps with ease. Families use it for group calls in the kitchen or one-on-one chats on the couch. Movies and games look incredible on the OLED display. Musicians, YouTubers, parents, everyone benefits from the versatility. The dual cameras and M5 chip remove barriers, making the iPad more intuitive. It adapts to any context: work, school, or play. This is a truly personal computer for the modern era. The M5 iPad Pro fits every lifestyle. The M5 iPad Pro is Apple's considered and powerful answer to real user needs and demands. It's not just about incremental improvements, it's about addressing the core functionalities that users rely on daily. Dual front cameras aren't just a gimmick or a spec sheet addition. They solve a very real problem, a problem we've all faced: the awkward off-center video call. Apple's focus remains steadfastly on practical innovation, on features that genuinely enhance the user experience. Innovation that directly improves daily life, making tasks easier and more efficient. The iPad is now a true tool, a versatile device for seamless communication, boundless creativity, and unparalleled productivity, all in one sleek package. The M5 chip isn't just powerful, it's future-proof, designed to handle whatever comes next. It's ready for even more powerful apps, complex workflows, and the integration of advanced AI features. Expect even more advanced software capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on a tablet, and maybe even 3D video capture capabilities down the line, opening up new creative avenues. Apple's seamless hardware-software integration remains a key differentiator, tough for competitors to beat. Competitors will undoubtedly scramble to catch up, trying to match Apple's level of polish and performance. So the big question, should you upgrade your current device? If you heavily rely on your iPad for professional work, for demanding tasks, for crystal-clear video calls, or for unleashing your creativity, then the M5 is undeniably a huge leap forward, offering a tangible boost in performance and capabilities. For users of older iPad models, it represents a truly massive upgrade, a quantum leap in terms of speed and features. However, for existing M4 owners, it's more about the subtle refinements, the fine-tuning you've been patiently waiting for. Ultimately, the M5 iPad Pro is a significant milestone, a clear indicator of Apple's ongoing vision for the future of mobile computing. So, with all that in mind, would you personally make the switch to the new M5 iPad Pro?